Okay, so for today's video I'll be talking about one of the best After Effects free plugins, made by AEJuice. AEJuice is basically a company that makes plugins and presets for different editing softwares, such as After Effects, Sony Vegas, DaVinci, Filmora and more. Right now it's Black Friday and they have the I Want It All bundle with a 99% discount. Yes, you can get an $8,000 pack for $79, but it's a monthly subscription, which honestly makes sense. You can also get the lifetime version for $149. But if you are a brokey like me, you can go for their starter pack, which is completely free. Also guys, keep watching till the end of the video, there is a huge giveaway. What you see over here is a quick motion graphic edit I made doing almost nothing, and it is fully customizable as you can see. What I did is basically apply some templates. Let me show you how. First let's open the AEJuice Pack Manager. After you have installed it, you will have it like this. The free download link will be in the description. Here at the products page, you can see all the other paid bundles, and don't forget that you can get all of this just for $79. I mean, look at all of this. Whatever you are making and whatever you need to make it, they have it all and more. Like, imagine selling all of this for the price of one. This is honestly weird, but in a good way. Let's ignore that for now and focus on the starter pack. When you click on the starter pack, you will have these 12 folders, each one with different assets. And as I said, they are fully customizable, which means that you can edit and change things or even learn from them. My favorite one out of all these 12 bundles has to be the Motion Cafe. It has these futuristic neon-looking MoGraph templates. I'm going to use one of these and show you guys how it works, and maybe edit it a little bit and put my touch on it. Simply double-click on it to import it in my timeline, and let's get to work. What I love about this is the effort they put into making these, even though they are free. I also love this text template, as it looks 3D in a creative way. Let's try and edit it and change the text to some facts. Well, that was so easy and useful. By the way, these are the motion templates that I used to make the small edit you've seen earlier. Okay, so for the best part, AEJuice and I are giving away the I Want It All bundle to 3 lucky winners. All you have to do is to leave a comment and go subscribe to their channel, link in the description. And if you are going to buy any of their products, make sure to use my affiliate links to support the channel. The links are also in the description. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and see you on the next one.